Welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, I know it has been a while. Oh my gosh. I think 3 years ago I have my travel videos up, and then 2 years ago was my video from the jungle sanctuary in Thailand. So if you guys haven't seen that one, definitely check it out because it's a good one. But I am back with you guys here today to spread some light on the whole stressful situation going on around here. I know it's hard. I know there's a lot of uncertainty and it's tough. I mean, everyone has their own battles and struggles through this, but you know, all we can really control right now is ourselves and how we move forward and react to everything around us. So with that being said, I'm going to show you guys a full body workout today because that was highly requested on my Instagram. And then I'm going to go through my pre-workout smoothie here and then talk about why I add some of these items in and the benefits of them. And yeah, so it'll just be a fun video and we'll go from there. Alright guys, so let's get into it. So I'm going to make the pre-workout smoothie right now so I have some energy for my workout. I got some long-lasting carbohydrates here. So I got my oats, and the one thing about oats is you want to soak them before you consume them or put them in a smoothie because there's a lot of phytic acid on it, which is just naturally on any form of like seed or plant food. So you just want to rinse that off really well or soak them overnight. And the reason being is if you have too much of it, it can actually stop your digestive system from absorbing the nutrients. So you just want to make sure they're rinsed, clean, and they're ready to go. So I'm going to add these right away. So that's about 30 grams of oats right there. All right, so the next one is, oopsies. I have some soaked chia seeds here. Now these are phenomenal energy, great source of omega-3 fatty acids. So I make sure to pre-soak these overnight. It's really easy, just do it before you go to bed. Or if I forget, I'll just do it right before I make my smoothie. I'll just add some hot water and mix it really well. So I usually just order from Amazon, comes in a big bag. I do about a half a tablespoon in my smoothie. So I'm gonna quick add this. And it just makes the smoothie a little more thick and gives it a little crunch too because of the seeds, which I really like, so. Don't waste. Alright, so the next ingredient is the cacao powder. Now, I add this in every single morning. I love the taste of it, and the benefits are it increases the blood circulation, so it's allowing all the oxygen and the nutrients to get to the muscles. So, amazing for pre-workout. And then I'm going to add some blueberries as well. Where are the blueberries? You can get blueberries from anywhere. So I usually do like a fourth to about a half a cup. So I'll do about a third today. I don't know. All right, so got those ingredients in, and then I'm gonna add some protein powder. I always do plant-based protein. This is Vivo, I almost said Vega. Vivo Sport, I love it. It's good stuff, tastes delicious. This flavor is Salted Maca Caramel. So I don't put a full scoop in, I just need a little bit because some of the items in here, like the oats, already have a little bit of protein. So I don't need that much more. I'm just doing about 15 grams here. So yeah, that's probably like a third of a scoop. So yeah, and then, sorry guys, I had coffee before this and I'm a little jacked, so ready to work out. Okay, and then I am doing just a half a teaspoon here of creatine, and I can discuss that on another video sometime. But yeah, that, and then we're gonna do a little salt. a little cinnamon. Also increases blood flow and just overall really healthy for you. So I like the taste. And then a couple ice cubes and some more liquid, and then we'll blend it up. All right. Oops. Flat bubble. Almost took it off before I turned it off. All right, so it's all blended. Smells delicious. I'm gonna quick grab a cup. All right, guys, here is the finished product. Ooh, hope you're getting a close-up of that. Look how delicious it looks. Blueberry, my favorite. This is delicious. What's up, guys? This is the first exercise, so we're gonna go into 1 1/4 split lunge alternated. Down. Pick up a water bottle for some extra weight. the regular version, and then the second one I do is a modified if you're not strong enough to do the full side plank. So I'm going to start with the full side plank here. Make sure there's a line from your shoulder to your elbow and you're not leaning too far over or too far back. So you have a strong position here. Alright, now I'm going to go down to the modified. So you can go on your knees. Make sure you're starting in that straight half plank. Arm up, same thing. My core is burning right now, guys. One more. And down. Whew. Alright, now we're going into Superman hold. So you're going to lay on your stomach. You're going to extend your arms out in front of you. And you're going to end up lifting your feet and your legs about 2 to 3 inches off the ground. And you're going to hold that. Now this works the whole entire posterior chain. And you're going to feel that whole back end just holding everything really tight. So we're going to hold it for 5 seconds and then release it. We're going to do it for about 30 seconds here. So get ready, lay on your stomach, come up, and imagine you're holding a big ball in front of you so your palms are facing each other, and you're thinking about squeezing those shoulder blades together in that mid back. So holding, I think I did a little longer than 5 seconds, and then release. Just totally relax that body. And then back up. And relax. See my whole body shaking now? And relax. 3 more. Last one. Really squeeze everything. Think about holding that ball and relax. Alright, so this next one we're going to be going into a plank, and you want to think about tilting that pelvis. So go up in your plank, have a straight line from your wrist to your shoulder, and then tuck that pelvis in to keep that core really tight and those glutes squeezed. And now we're going to do clock walks. So we're just keeping that core tight. We're just walking our hands 2 steps, 2 steps back. And then I'm going to go the other direction. And then another rotation. Just a couple steps with your hands and then back to starting position. You're going to do this for about 30 to 45 seconds. Keeping that core really tight and that pelvis tucked in. All right, and there it is. You have your total body workout. Now, everything I just did, you're gonna go through 5 rounds of each exercise. So by the end of this, you guys are gonna be drenched. I just went through 1 round of everything and a little tired, not gonna lie. So this is an awesome workout. Let me know if you guys complete this, how you like it, and if you want more. I just want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting me, watching my videos, and I'm definitely going to be bringing you guys a lot more content. So get ready, get excited, and comment below, subscribe, and thank you very much. Love you guys and stay positive.